I've been literally just cold calling businesses around. Like I've got a big spreadsheet with like every single RMT in the city, every single hair salon in the city. Like I just made like different spreadsheets for all these different businesses. And I just go to their website, put in a couple of quick key pieces of information, like phone number. And if I could find the owner's name, like in the About Us page of that website, I'd put the owner's name down there. And so I would start calling, and I would just say something like, hi, could I speak to, Jessica, the owner of this, whoever the owner is. And, if I happen to get Jessica, she's like, hi, yeah, this is Jessica. I'd be like, oh, hi, this is, my name's David Lang. I'm the owner of Guelph Laundry Company here. We're Laundromat here in the city. And it's hilarious because when have you ever been cold called by a laundromat? Right? Like
I've never been cold called by a laundromat.
I know. It's funny because they're stunned. They're like, oh, yeah, okay, cool. Yeah. What's up? Like they have no idea why I'm calling. I'll be like, yeah, I just want to let you know that we serve a bunch of RMTs here in the city. Love to talk to you, about whether we can do your laundry for you, et cetera, et cetera. And basically just try to go over to their place and do a weigh-in and get an assessment of how much laundry they have and try to give them an estimate. But yeah, I just thought it was so funny because everyone's super receptive and very interested. They've never been called by a laundromat before. So they're like, oh, okay, cool. What does this guy want?
That's awesome. And that's the kind of going above and beyond, right? Like, and I think that's what it takes. Like when you're building your base of business, specifically corporate clients, but also, just any kind of like pickup and delivery, right? Like, I don't know that you necessarily want to be calling people's homes. I don't know. Maybe you do. I don't know. I've never done that, but I don't know, maybe that's effective, but definitely on the business B2B side, right? Mm-hmm. That's the kind of stuff you need to do to build your base business out, start getting the word out, right? Like digital ads are good. It's kind of the hunting versus fishing model, right?
Right.
Like,
yeah. Good point.
The fishing is like the
passive.
You're throwing your ads out there. You got hooks in the water, and maybe a fish is going to bite every now and then, and that's awesome, and that can feed your family, right? But there's also the hunting method where you're actually going out, you're door knocking, you're cold calling, you're doing those kinds of things too. Or you have an employee, or you make your kid do it or whatever, right? Like somebody's doing that for you. But that's the kind of thing that I see the successful people, not just in the laundromat business, but just business owners in general. That's the kind of thing that I see people doing, where they're like, I'm going to try every kind of method I can try to build this into what my vision of this business is. And if you have big vision for your business, you've got to take some big action, to get there.